take a ride with us on Hagrid's Magical Creatures motorbike adventure at Universal Orlando's Islands of Adventure. I'm Alex from Endless Summer, Florida. If you're watching this video and not a subscriber, click that subscribe button now so you don't miss any of our summer adventures. Hagrid's has quite the extensive queue, and if you're a fan of the Harry Potter movies or books, you're going to love all the theming. In this video, we're going to take rides on both the motorbike and the sidecar, so let's get started.
I've got you, don't worry. Reparo! Sorry, I never was great shakes at magic. Oh, Craigie, you're tangled in devil's snare. Repeat, Lumos Celeste after me. Lumos Celeste. Oh, you found my missing strips. Best be getting you out of here before you get blasted. Now, hit those purple buttons. Rapid fire back. Well, Kyle, there's a unicorn. And right, off you go. We'll meet at the edge of the forbidden forest. I've got it, don't worry. Reparo! Sorry,
sorry. I never was great shakes at magic. Oh, crikey! You're tangled in devil's snares. Repeat. Lumos Solen after me. Lumos Solen. Ooh, that was close. Oh, you found my missing screws. Let's be getting you out of here before you get blasted. Now, hit those purple buttons. There's a unicorn! And look, she's a mum. Really lucky thing to see such a sight in the wild. But Merlin's beard, we did see pixies, scroots, and unicorns. Oh, and I'd be grateful if you didn't mention any of this to anyone back at Hogwarts. See you next lesson!
Thanks for watching. Be sure to click that like button and subscribe to our Endless Summer channel.